Hi everyone, welcome back to Pulse Q. I see people hanging briskets in their pit barrel cookers, barrel house cookers, etc. I have not seen one video yet on a WSM. I have the expandable smoking rack. I'm going to utilize that today and hang a brisket. I'll probably be the first one to do it, or at least I think I will. Let's take a look at the meat and see what we have. So here's what we have. A 10-pound full packer. I have not trimmed this yet. I'm going to be trimming it up off camera. I don't want to bore everybody. I'll probably rub it down too off camera. I'm going to just be using an SPG mix. James over at Aim and Claim Smokers. I use his ratio. That's the one I like best. Seems to work very well. So let me get this trimmed up. And let me get it rubbed down. We'll pick back up from there. So there we have it. We're all trimmed up now and rubbed down with the SPG. I am going to hang it, as I said, so I will be using hooks. These are the pit barrel cooker meat hooks. They'll work fine with the expandable smoking rack I have. I'll probably end up double hooking this, just to be on the safe side. I'm no pro at this. I've never done this before, so there we go. I think we got it. We'll pick back up when we're out at the pit. Okay, guys. Here's where we're sitting at right now. We have our charcoal all set up in the base of the Weber Smoky Mountain. Charcoal's fired up and ready to go. I can dump it in there now. Nothing fancy. I didn't do a minion method or anything today. I'm just gonna dump the hot coals right over top of what's there. Add my wood chunks, which I'll be using pecan and hickory. And then get the Weber Smoky Mountain put together. Get the brisket on there. Probe it. And aim for 165, pull it off, wrap it, put it back on the grate, and just let it finish the rest of the way. So let's see what we're doing. Wood chunks here. Make sure it's sitting down nice. Perfect. And here's the star of our show. The brisket. We'll stick the probe right there. Let's get it on. There we go, it's hanging nicely. Put the lid on. That's it. And we'll pick up when we get back. Take a look at what's going on. I'm not going to be spritzing. I'm just going to let it go. We'll come back when we hit 165 degrees in turtle. Okay, so we're 4.5 hours in. We've reached 167 degrees internally. I'm gonna pull it off and wrap it. I know I said 165 earlier, but we've had a thunderstorm blow through and we're still getting it right now. I'm sure you'll hear some thunder in the background in a second or two. Let's pull it out and see what it looks like. There's what we're looking at right now. It's looking pretty good. Very good. Got a nice bark all the way around it. I'm gonna pull this off, which I already have, sorry. I'm gonna take it in the house, get it all nice and wrapped up in the foil. I'll bring it back out and maybe I'll show you guys me putting it back out in the foil. Maybe not. I'll just pick up closer towards the end of the cook. But we'll get back to you. So I just finished wrapping the brisket up and got it back on the pit. Give you a look, see where we're at right now. That's what we look like now. It's all wrapped up. So now I'll pick up when we're closer towards the end of the cook. I just wrapped it and put a little beef broth inside of it. That's all. So there we go. We've got a total cook time of 7.5 hours. There's what we're looking at. Just came off the pit. Sorry I didn't set the camera up outside to get a shot of that. But it's still raining outside, so I figured I'd just pull it off and show it inside. Now we're gonna just tent it up and let it rest. We'll get back after it's rested and we're ready to cut into it. Well, now we're at the point where the brisket's been resting for 2 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and slice into it. We'll see what we got over here. Wow, that slices like butter. Nice and moist. Very nice. Let's get a slice out of it. See what we got. That slice is super easy. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see the moisture there, but that's very moist. It's not much of a smoke ring there. There's a very faint one. Pulls apart nice. Let's give it a taste. Very good. A little bit of a different flavor. Much different from what I'm used to when I smoke a brisket. Well, there you have it. We've sliced it open. We've tried it. It works good. You can hang them in the Weber Smoky Mountain. I'll explain more in a few minutes. Well, there you have it. There's the brisket that was hanging. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm still going to experiment with it a little bit more. I will be hanging another one, maybe 2 briskets, just to see how it works out. This time we did it point side up. Next time I'm going to try it point side down. See if that makes a difference on anything. See how it works. All in all, I think it worked really well. It's got a very different taste from the regular way that you would cook a brisket on a Weber Smoky Mountain. It's got a much better taste, I would say, and I prefer it better this way. I will be experimenting with it more, and we'll see where it goes from there. These guys have been bugging me for the brisket. They're eating it now. Is it good?
Yeah.
It's good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. If you like what you see here, there'll be more coming. Bye.
Come so I